In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Airtable to Freshbooks with Zapier. We'll build a simple automation or Zap that starts from Airtable and sends data into Freshbooks. Open your browser and head to zapier.com and make sure you're signed into your account. From the dashboard, look for the Create button, click Create, then choose Zaps to open the editor where we'll put everything together. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the options appear. At the top of the editor, you'll see the Trigger section. The trigger is what kicks everything off. Click the trigger box, then use the search bar to find Airtable. Select Airtable from the results. Zapier will ask you to choose an event. Pick the event that best reflects when you want this Zap to start. For example, when a new record is added or a record is updated in your base. After choosing the event, connect your Airtable account. Click to connect, then follow the prompts to securely authorize access. Make sure you're using the right workspace and base with the necessary permissions. Once connected, Zapier will confirm and the trigger is ready. Next, move down to the action section, which is what you want to happen after the trigger fires. Click to add an action, then search for Freshbooks. Click Freshbooks in the results and wait for the app to finish loading in the editor so the available options are displayed. Choose the action event that matches your goal, such as creating a client or an invoice. Now connect a Freshbooks account. Click to connect, sign in if prompted, and approve the secure connection so Zapier can perform actions on your behalf. Be sure you're connecting the correct company if you manage more than one. With the trigger and action in place, everything is lined up. Zapier may show you a quick summary so you can double check the apps and events. If everything looks right, go ahead and click Publish. Publishing turns your setup into a live Zap, so it's ready to run whenever the trigger conditions are met. That's it. You went from opening Zapier to selecting Airtable as the trigger, Freshbooks as the action, connecting both accounts, and publishing your automation. If you ever need to tweak the events or switch accounts, you can come back to the Zap, adjust the settings, and publish again.